The Department of Labor and Employment may also be held liable into the Valenzuela factory fire after having shortcomings in enforcing labor laws and policies. This is one of the initial findings of the House of Representatives investigation into the tragic fire that gutted a slipper factory and killed 72 workers.
Maraming pagkukulang sa iba't ibang sektor, no? Sa gobyerno man, sa national government, sa local government.
House Committee on Labor and Employment Chair Representative Carlo Nograles says Dole failed to check on CJC Manpower Agency until the tragedy happened. CJC Manpower is on hot water after it was alleged of being an illegal contractor and not remitting worker contributions to the Social Security system. Labor Law Compliance Officer Engineer Joseph Vedasto gave Kentex Manufacturing Corporation a Certificate of Compliance on Labor Standards in September 2014. Nograles says Vedasto then was aware of CJC Manpower as Kentex subcontractor but still issued the certificate. He suggests Vedasto should have verified if CJC Manpower is registered with DOLE, which turns to be otherwise.
The fact na hindi sila registered means na hindi sila, most probably hindi sila compliant. At kung hindi sila compliant, bawal na mag-subcontract ng ganun. At kung nag-subcontract ka ng ganun, lagot ang principal, which is Kentex.
But Dole responds, saying it was CJC Manpower who refused to be inspected by Vedasto.
Our LLCO tried to interview yung casuals na nakita niya, nung March 5 saka March 17, he tried na kumuha ng additional information, halimbawa address, pero hindi siya binigyan.
Dole Undersecretary Rebecca Chato admits the country's labor laws are still lacking in teeth. Chato instead suggests the urgent passage of House Bill number 4635 or the Occupational Health and Safety Bill.
If we can fast-track yung criminalization para there is parang ngipin doon sa pagsunod o pag-enforce because at present, yung labor code natin, wala siyang penalty doon sa OSC violation.
The new law aims to lessen industrial-related accidents by imposing stiffer penalties on occupational safety violations. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.